Hey, it's your boy Danny at Dyno Days, and just a quick note to let you guys know that every single Saturday until hell freezes over, Dyno Days does a Run What You Brung dyno session, dyno day on a Saturday from 9 AM till 12 noon. It's £40 a car, and we stick your car on the dyno, and you get 2 back-to-back power runs and a full colour printout showing brake horsepower, wheel horsepower, torque. So we look forward to seeing you. That's every Saturday, 9 AM till 12 noon, £40 a car. It's 2-wheel drive, so that's front wheel drive, rear wheel drive. You know, if you've got a Haldex system, it can be disabled, we can run that as well. But yeah, we look forward to seeing you. And just a note that we still do rolling road days for clubs. So whether you're in a group on Facebook and you want to organise an event, then let us know. There's some details down below how to contact us. Whether you've got an owners club, a group on Facebook, or you're just a bunch of lads and ladies that want to bring all their cars down at one point, you can park up, have a nice day, see everybody else's cars, see all the cars running on the dyno. If you're an Instagrammer or a YouTuber, we welcome you to come down and film what's going on. But yeah, if you've got any questions, drop them below, and we shall hope to see you on a Saturday. Peace out.